I wasn't even going to film this, but Dean is actually in the washroom. He's just woken up. His birthday gift has arrived. Oh, he's gonna get out. Let's go. So excited for him to see it. Hi. Something for you under the Christmas tree. Ooh. Happy birthday in advance.
I love it.
Morning guys, today is a Saturday. Welcome back. It is officially Christmas time and today is probably the most sunniest and brightest it's been in probably a month now. I just wanted to come here to say that, usually Christmas time is so overwhelming with so many things and it's overstimulating as well. Every single year we almost have felt guilty if we don't do things. We've packed our Decembers with a whole lot of things and it just flies by and we've never been able to fully soak it in. This is probably the first Christmas in 6 years where this is the first plan and it is 15th of December. So literally we are halfway into December and it's just been slow for various different reasons. Obviously we've moved places and all that, but I'm also quite glad that we've not packed our weekends with just things to do in Central. So this is the first weekend we're doing something. That's because Joya has very kindly invited us for a festive afternoon tea and that's where we're headed to, and I'm quite glad. It's going to be very nice and relaxing afternoon tea, taking the views of Battersea, the beautiful views of the city, just walk around Battersea area. I haven't been there in 2 years now. The last time we went there was a snowy weekend in December. Yeah, so that's the plan for the day. Obviously taking you guys along with me. There's a whole lot of stuff that's going to happen in this vlog, Christmas related, but more so it's going to be quite a relaxed, slowed down version of Christmas, which is something I've always wanted just because I want to take it all in. I don't want it to feel rushed. I don't want to have FOMO, and for the first time in my life I don't have this whole fear of missing out, or this is happening in Central, or there are these lights, or there's these installations or whatnot. We haven't seen it and I don't feel bad. Like every year I felt like, oh, I'm missing out, I need to go do this, and I've overbooked myself and overcommitted myself, which I haven't done this year, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So if you needed a little bit of reminder such as to what I've just spoken about, then this one's for you. Guys, I've got a bit of an update. These shades, for which I had a total meltdown in November, I found them while packing and moving to a new place. It's my most prized possession. Honestly, I cannot lose this again. This is the fit check of the day. This skirt is from Abercrombie, Uniqlo. Stockings are Uniqlo. Oops, my bag's open. Bag is from Gucci. My shades are from Prada, my most prized possession. Okay, I'm ready. And I'm wearing my fabulous ballerinas today. Don't ask me why I'm wearing the shades inside the house. I just want to be ready before we go out. Look at the wreath. You can see the wreath from here. Can you see it? How cute is that? It was so gloomy when we woke up this morning. It was raining. And now it's the most gorgeous blue sky I've seen in a month. London kind of knew that we were going to head out today. We haven't had a plan in almost a month now to do anything, because I've either been working on November weekends, or we were moving, or we had other bits and bobs to sort with the new place. So finally when we're heading out, London comes out in full form. Love it. What a beautiful hotel this is, by the way. Art hotel. I mean, obviously this is just the lift. Why do I keep doing that? Excited for afternoon tea. I'm so hungry.
It's been a while.
Let's go. It's a Battersea Power Station. Happy birthday week.
Halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
Morning guys, today is a Sunday, which means it's cleaning day. I think I'm gonna just make it as a montage. Just grab yourself a snack or a drink and let's begin with cleaning the kitchen first. kitchen cleaning is done. So the rest of the house I'd cleaned in the morning. So kitchen was the only thing that was remaining because I was making breakfast and all that. So it's all clean now. So let's just heat up some leftover dinner from yesterday because I'm really hungry, and it is, wow, it's 2:30 p.m. I need to have something to eat for lunch. Head to work desk area and start editing the next vlog. This is probably one of the best things I've bought this tiffin. I usually take this to work, so it's microwave and dishwasher safe, which is bloody amazing because if you pack away leftover food in this, then you can just directly chuck it into microwave and just use it. Got my lunch here with me, my water jug. I've got my laptop situation sorted. So let's get cracking with editing the next vlog. There's nothing interesting that's happening for the rest of the Sunday. It's generally going to be me sat on this desk. It's 2:30 p.m. So for the next couple of hours, I'm just going to be sitting and editing the next vlog, which should be going up in the next 2 days. So today's a Sunday. So by the time you watch the video, which is not this one, it's a previous one, will go up on a Tuesday. That's what I'm going to be editing. So this vlog that you're watching now will come out after the one that comes out next. It's all very confusing, but in my head it kind of makes sense, and I obviously divide content based on what I want to tell as a story in that vlog. Let's get something into my system, edit the next vlog. I shall see you tomorrow on a Monday. I think the last time you guys saw me was literally in the morning. It's technically evening, it's 5 p.m. but looks like it's bloody middle of the night because that's just how it is in winters. I have just quickly changed into something comfy. It's just a high neck sweater and some heat tech leggings. I'm actually headed to a shopping mall. I'm going to Westfield in White City. There's a store named Temper. I'd actually reached out to them for a collaboration over a month ago, and that was to do with the mattress because I'm moving places, would love to collaborate with you guys, and they have really amazing mattresses. Basically, I looked up for reviews online and everyone was raving about the mattresses, but by the time it kind of got to the bit where we had to collaborate, it was too late because we'd already moved and we needed a mattress, or else we would have been sleeping on the floor. So that kind of didn't work out, so I just said maybe we can collaborate for something else. I also know they have amazing bedding and pillows, blankets and duvets. So they said, why don't you go to our store, have a look around and let us know if you like something. So that's where I'm headed to. Oh, by the way, this is a new perfume that I got. It's a gift to myself this Christmas. I am currently obsessed with Jo Malone. I love their English Pear and Free Shawan, which I'm almost running out of. I bought this in the summer. Love it. I'm on day 2 of my periods. I wanted to make myself feel better. I know on the days I look a bit put together, I feel better. Let's put some of the thing on. And I'm good to go. So let's go to the mall. Look where Temper is. 7 minutes. Let's go down. Oh, it's on level 2 below. Okay.
Of course, you can put it anywhere that suits you. The universal pillow. So you should feel your lower back stretching, and the rest of your body relaxing through your ribs, because a lot of your weight is going to your ribs right now. So this is a fan.
Oh, is it?
This is the fan that's going.
It's fun, yeah. It's pretty good. Okay. Have you made up your mind? currently now home shopping era. Where are we off today? Cotswolds. Happy birthday weekend! We are in Cotswolds. It's so freaking cute. I love it. Look at all these cottages. I think all of these people must be like, who are these tourists? Come with their camera. Very evident that we are tourists, obviously. I am obsessed. This looks so stunning and so pretty. Oh my god, look at these cute little corners. I just keep turning my camera every 2 seconds, but this is just absolutely cute and amazing. It's really good. It's so cold. We are now in town number 2 in Cotswold. Our street is one of the most famous streets, which is called Arlington, and apparently it was so famous that it used to be in the back of British passport as a picture many years ago. And someone from, who was it, Henry Ford, who wanted to Henry Ford, he wanted to actually brick by brick break apart the entire street and take it and put it in Michigan Museum, and then the people over here bought it and then sold it to National Trust. Good for them. So yeah, it's still there. It seems a bit busy and crowded, but we'll see what we can do. We are now in town number 3. Also, look at this cute little Christmas tree, which is right in the middle of the river. All of these duckies, and there's a cute little bridge over here. It's almost end of the day in Cotswolds. I think one of the stories that really stuck with me, there's so many stories that were told. So obviously there's Oxfordshire, which is closer to Cotswolds, and there's Oxford University, which is obviously very famous. Until quite late into 1900s, they didn't allow women to go into university and graduate and whatnot. The reason why it's called bachelors is because only men were allowed. I was like, oh my god, never thought of it. Like, it's called Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS. Never really struck to me that it's obviously men. It's so sexist. It's like such a sexist world we live in, and we don't even realize all of these nuances as to our everyday lives being controlled and dictated, sort of the rules and regulations being laid by men, and we just carry on with our lives without realizing. Yeah, it's just really eye-opening as a woman. It says bachelor. Why does it not say bachelorette? Like, what the heck? Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you so much, Mummy.
Where is your new dress?
New dress I will wear this evening.